So I'm going to use this video as an attention grabber and to speak out for change, all right? We can see this car being destroyed at various velocities, but really what we need to understand is that there's a certain thing that's a crash test rating in the United States, and there's also an emissions test rating, and both of those things are destroying vehicles and American vehicles. The crash test rating is not a good system of how it's done, and the emissions is basically backwards. We're not helping the planet with the emissions standards. What we're doing is dumbing down cars and making them unreliable. So can we fight for change? Share this video with somebody who can maybe make a difference.